Dr. Brett Rolson with Ground Overhead Physical Therapy, coming at you again with your daily body armor. If you haven't done so, guys, subscribe to the channel for daily videos, rehab ideas, so you can get back in the gym and back out of pain fast. All right, guys. So with the pandemic, we've seen a huge rise in people come in with neck and back pain, simply from the amount of sitting that people are doing. Right. So whether before the pandemic you were already sitting 8 to 12 hours a day at a desk, or maybe you're doing a lot more sitting now with your job being more remote. We're seeing a ton of people with kind of that bottom of the neck or upper back pain that starts off as annoying and just seems to get progressively worse and starts to interfere with daily activities and going to the gym or being active in general. So what we're gonna do is a active thoracic extension with a PVC pipe. If you don't have PVC, grab a broom or mop, something that you can fulcrum over. Right, so I'm gonna get into a push-up position with a PVC across my back, all right? And then I'm going to thread it under my arms with my hands in a push-up position, my hips flat on the table or the ground. I'm then going to fulcrum with my upper back over the PVC pipe, hold for a few seconds, and back down. Fulcrum over. Keep my hips flat, my midsection tight. And all I'm gonna do is move the PVC around, see if I can find some stiff segments to fulcrum over and start to mobilize. And I'm just gonna repeat this process for a good 2 minutes, okay? So, simple exercise. We've given you guys a lot of thoracic mobility exercises to try. This is another good one to kind of work into that repertoire. You can do it either as a warm-up at the gym for you're doing any kind of overhead work, because thoracic mobility is really important when we're overhead. But you can also use it as kind of a routine before bed or right out of bed in the morning, just start to get things moving and get some of that stiffness to go away. But be consistent with this, okay? Because mobilizing the thoracic spine, a lot of people are stiff there and it just takes time, okay? So 2 minutes, a couple times a day, add it in with a few other exercises. Try to get out, moving more, standing more, and eventually the stiffness and pain will subside. So give it a shot, guys. Tune back in tomorrow for another video on how to bulletproof your body and be your absolute best.